You really think we should grow sweet potatoes?
Yeah. You can eat the greens from them.
Oh, hello, Mr. Doggy Chef. Yes, I love you too. Oh, why are you recording? Yeah, I'm recording. You want to be in this? Well, you should. You're a wonderful doggy, and I love you tremendously. Give me a treat, Dad. Oh, excuse me. I'm the awful chef. I'm hungry, so I'm going to make some food right after I give my dog in. Doggy nibble. Doggy nibble.
He's not asking for a nibble, silly.
He's
he
asking.
smells that dinner of yours, that pork roast.
Yeah. So, I hope you enjoyed my absence from the camera. I am the awful chef. I get hungry every night, so I'd better make some food every night.
And somebody wants the pork roast.
We are joined tonight by the doggy chef, as you've heard, and Mrs. Chef. So, what are we having? A big, sexy pork roast show. Okay. Lesson number 1, when you eat meat. Something died. Something died for you to have dinner. What that means in English, yes, it does mean that, is that you should respect what you're eating because it involved a biblical life form. What do we got that we respected thoroughly tonight is a bone-in pork butt that the dog is slobbering over. Okay. This is basically almost 4 days worth of effort. I marinated it in a baggie or a large Ziploc bag with garlic and rosemary, salt, pepper, and neutral oil, and the dog is very thrilled by that. I baked it for 2 hours at 350 degrees over a bed of carrots, onions, and celery to produce an amazing gravy. Oh, yes. So, half an onion, a couple of baby carrots, and a stalk of celery. A lot of pork fat, some red wine. There's plenty of garlic in the marinade from the pork roast. Little Wondra flour for good luck, and of course, some heavy cream. Can't live without that, can you? So we got a nice heavy-duty sauce there. Yeah, that's the interesting thing, about YouTube, is I got a 10-minute time limit. Nobody watches long videos. So I got to concentrate 4 days worth of effort, or 3 days, into 10 minutes. All right, so 5 red potatoes cut into bits, cooked in the oven on parchment paper with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Oh yeah, and there's some garlic cloves in there for fun. So, talking fast, I'm on a YouTube time clock. Brussel sprouts, oven roasted. Key to oven roasted Brussel sprouts, steam them first. So, steam them until they're reasonably cooked. Throw them in the oven with a little red wine, olive oil, salt, and pepper. And yeah, I did that awful chef thing. I steamed them in chicken stock and butter. Yeah, terrible stuff. Ended up just drinking that steaming fluid. Wow, Mrs. Chef, you are the quietest you've ever been in, I don't know, how many years? No comments?
No, I'm watching the dog, watching you, and his ears moving.
Oh, so he's more interesting than I am?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I said chicken stock. And I poured bourbon all over my shirt. Oh, hello. YouTube Live. Gotta love it. Yes, so chicken stock all over my shirt. So, rule number 1. If you're going to cook a big piece of roast, remember, something died so you could have that. You say a prayer of thanks in my house for that. And you treat it with respect. This particular piece of one of God's former creatures was marinated in garlic, rosemary, salt, pepper, and oil for a day in the
You're
fridge.
getting repetitious. You already said that.
Yeah, I know. I got to sum it up though. It was cooked over an oven rack. Beneath it were carrots, onions, and celery, the classic French triumvirate. Once it was cooked, I took the fat from that, added some Wondra flour, some cream, and a little bit of cheap red wine, and made a darn good gravy. We got some potatoes, we got some Brussel sprouts, steamed and then roasted. And so that's it. That's our Sunday-ish, because I work odd weeks or odd days. We can't have a Sunday. But that is our Sunday-ish gourmet dinner. Anything?
Somebody's depressed. You're taking too long.
Oh, and I've only been at it for 6 minutes.
The dog that's forever, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Here,
The dog
here, that poor dog, you know.
The dog's on YouTube time. So that's it. I'm the Awful Chef. Do that social media thing. Please subscribe. Or I'll send Jimmy Kimmel and his "We Will Destroy You" force after you or whatever. So that's it. Thank you. Goodbye.